Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to write an equation of a line if I give you a graph. So when you think of an equation of a line, I want you to think of slope-intercept form. Right, y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form because it gives you the slope and the b. The b is called our y-intercept. So in order to have an equation of a line, right, think about what do you need. Okay, I need my m and I need my b. So usually what we find first is we find or locate the y-intercept. Now, if you don't know what a y-intercept is, it's pretty much where your line crosses that y-axis. I'm going to highlight this. That's the y-axis, right? So like in this example, if you locate the b, sorry, it's so hard to see the scale. I think it's going up by halves, so this should be 1. Sorry, that scale is really bad. Okay, so step 2, after you find the slope, I meant find the y-intercept, now you're going to find two perfect points. And the reason why we're going to find the slope. And then you're just going to write the b and m into y equals mx plus b form. Right, so pretty much you're going to plug in the m and plug in the b. It doesn't always have to be a positive b, by the way. Okay, so let's go back to this example. So we found b is 1. Yeah, this is 2, 3, 4, by the way. That's 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the scale is going by halves. This is -1, -2. This is my that's the 0, 0, and this is -1, -2. Okay. So I found a perfect point there. Let's find another perfect point here. And then when I do my rise over my run, is going up 1. My run is going to 1.5. I think that's right. The scale is really, I don't know if you guys notice the scale being anything different. Let's just assume that's the scale. Okay, so does everyone see how I went up 1 and my run would be 1.5, right, because it's right there. Now, we should not leave our slope with a decimal. I don't know if you guys remember how to get rid of the decimal. This is probably a very rare occasion, but multiply both bottom and top by 10. Or if you move your decimal over to the right, you got to move your decimal over here to the right. Same thing as multiplying by 10. So then my slope reduced would be 2/3. Okay? So now that I have my slope and my b, I'm just going to write it into slope-intercept form. One last thing, just a reminder, your slope is going from left to right. It's decreasing, so just make sure you put a -2. Okay, let's try one more together. So first thing I want to locate is the b. b is here, -4. This scale is much easier to see. Let's pick two perfect points, any two. Remember, we rise before we run. This is 2, and this is 3. My line is increasing, so my slope is positive, and all we have to do now is plug in the m and the b into y equals mx plus b form. And this is the equation of this line. Okay, so feel free to watch this again, glue this into your interactive notebook, and then start your packet. I do expect that to be finished by the end of the period. Hopefully you can check it with the answer key book. and I will see you guys tomorrow.